Here is a healthy head of hair. As we zoom in, you can see a healthy hair follicle. Your hair grows from the dermal papilla at the base of the hair follicle. You can see the capillaries carrying blood to the androgen receptors, which is where the oxygen, nutrients, and energy flow into the androgen receptors. The yellow particles represent necessary oxygen, nutrients, and energy, which flow into the androgen receptors, passing through the cells to produce nutrients and energy for your hair to grow. The major cause of hair loss is DHT, dihydrotestosterone. As we zoom in, you can see the circular androgen receptors and blood vessels flowing, but the DHT, as seen here in green, is blocking the flow of the capillaries and blood supply to the androgen receptors. Once DHT binds to the androgen receptors, the receptors are no longer able to receive nutrients and energy, which is essential for healthy hair growth. As the DHT continues to cut off the flow of oxygen, nutrients, and energy, the hair miniaturizes, becomes dormant, and eventually dies. To combat DHT, the primary cause of hair loss, our product combines 8 DHT inhibitors in a proprietary formula to bind harmlessly to the androgen receptor site. As you can see, the blue DHT inhibitors bind harmlessly to the androgen receptors and stop the green DHT from binding. Over time, as less and less DHT binds to the androgen receptors, oxygen, nutrients, and energy can flow freely back to the hair follicle. The hair follicle can now grow back to its normal growth phase, becoming full, thick, healthy-looking hair.